Sequencing is a very useful technique in order to know if there is a new introduction of the virus in the farm. Also, sequencing may allow us to trace back the potential epidemiological origin of the new strain.
First, if you work with a quite big system, it's very helpful to monitor what is happening with the eventual virus movement from one side to the other. And so with this you can monitor your biosecurity, your transport routes, if they are well applied. Moreover, if you live in an area in which people are quite enough open-minded to compare and to show their sequences, you can also understand what's happening in your area.
You can use sequencing for a lot of different purposes. It depends on what you're looking for. So if you can say from the farmer, what can they use sequencing for? And one of the first things is that PRRS are dividing or making variants, as we know from Corona. So you can have different viruses, and to be able to select the best matching vaccines, then it can be used to have the information. But it can also be if you are free and then get infected, then you would like to know where did the strain came from. Is it a vaccine strain or is it a field strain?
Without sequencing PRRS, we are not able to understand if a new strain got into the farm. Only with PRRS sequencing, we are able to understand what's going on in the farm.
R5 can tell you a lot of results, but and also because when you have your sequence, you have to compare it with other sequences. Otherwise, if you only have your own, you cannot use it for anything. And if you look in a database, then there are 10,000s of R5 sequences, but still very few whole genome sequences. So actually, R5 is very good, but it doesn't tell the full story.
In contrast, having the whole genome allows us to have a better understanding of the past events in the evolution of the strain, particularly the phylogenetic origin, but also the recombination events.